In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front sway bar link on this Dodge Dart. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the wheel, use a 19mm socket, take the lug bolts out. Before you take the last one off, I'm just going to hold the wheel from falling. Take that one off, grab the wheel, and slide it off. Taking some locking pliers, and just on the back side, right here, we just want to lock the stud from spinning. There we go. Just watch out for this wire. And use a 15mm socket. Take that out. Take off the locking pliers. And we're going to use the locking pliers on the inside of the bottom one. Now using a 16mm socket, take the nut off. Take that nut off, remove the locking pliers, and slide the link right out. Slide the new link in place, get the nut started. Using a 18mm wrench on the stud, 15mm socket, tighten down the nut. And we'll torque this to 48 foot-pounds. Put the top part of the link in. Put the nut on. Take an 18mm wrench on the back side. And tighten down the nut. Now torque the nut to 48 foot-pounds. After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done on your vehicle. Now put the wheel on, line it up. Take the lug bolts, get those started. Get the other one started. Snug those down. Now I'm going to torque the lug bolts to 92 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.